Gold and silver both traded with a drop yesterday. As I shared, that one can remain short below 2120 and 1830 levels for silver and gold respectively. Both traded with a good drop. Now what is going to happen today? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. We will also try to find out the trading behavior of these instruments, the entries, the exits and the take profits as well, and we'll decide the trading strategy for today. So do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. The next update on gold will be up just before the US cash session. Today is an important day for US markets, specifically because the Fed is going to release the interest rate decision later in the day. So be cautious with the trades, and let's start the analysis now. On the hourly charts, it appears it is giving the wave to rise, and how far this can go, it can go till towards this position, which could be at around 1818 1820 levels. The resistance there at 1818 1820 is going to be strong, and be watchful of that. Also on the downside, the support there at 1808 is going to be strong. Be watchful of that. So do not short anything till it is above 1808. The oscillator is in negative zone, bearish zone. Directional movement is bearish too. The MACD has just crossed over on a buy side, and it is trading in green with a divergence, indicating that we may see a little rise. RSI is looking upwards. The RSI in fact is now oversold on the hourly charts, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, similarly on the 2-hour charts, higher lows are getting created, and it is trying to reverse back a bit. Probably, see, it is trying to create this channel, and it may try to trade within this. So the high is there at around 1818 and 1820. Now is going to be the resistance, possibly first target at around 1815, then 1818 1822 levels. It can try to achieve these levels before it looks over to any reversal on the downside. The oscillator is still trading in red, and if you see, the directional movement is bearish. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. Still it is trading in red, and RSI, which was hitting or trading in red, now looking upwards, indicating little bullishness there. The stochastic was oversold, and now it is trying to complete this cycle till here. Possibly we may see 1815 1818 1822 levels before it looks over to any further rise. Now if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, similarly you will find that it has got the support here. It is trying to reverse back a bit. Maybe we may see couple more green candles, and 1820 1822 zone, and then here till 1830. Any move beyond 1830, you can consider that as a confirmed reversal. One thing on near terms is very clear, that one can remain long till the time it is trading above 1808. That is very clear there. The oscillator is trading in red. The directional movement is bearish. The MACD is trying to converge, and right now it is trading bearish, but see the convergence there, and possibly we may see some greener candles and it will cross over. The RSI is oversold, now looking upwards and coming out of this oversold zone. Similarly, the stochastic is oversold and trying to come out of it. Now look at the 4-hour chart. Similarly, what we have seen on the 4-hour chart, see, also it is trying to do this. It is trying to achieve the highs there at around 1818 1820 levels before it looks forward to any further reversal. If it breaks this zone, I'll be looking forward to 1825 1830. If 1830 is taken, then sky is the limit. It is going to hit, and it is going to get the stronger resistance at this zone in between 1840 1850. It can try to achieve those levels also. So till the time it is above 1808, possibly one can remain long. The oscillator is bearish. Directional movement is bearish too. The MACD is wide divergent bearish. It is trying to converge. Similarly, with the RSI is oversold, the stochastic is oversold, and hence everything is trying to reverse from here. Now if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, one must observe that the candle size there in last 2 days, see a bigger candle and then a smaller candle, indicating that the bears are not uh, in charge there. The bears are not taking the charge there, and we have seen a little and cautious move. The markets are cautious. So these two indications, because after a large drop it has shown a very small body there, and now it is trying to reverse back a bit. Now this reversal, as I said, one can remain long above 1808. It is trying to also come back into the Bollinger Bands there. Probably the first target should be at around 1818, 1820, and if it gets beyond that, we can look forward to 1830, 1840, 50 levels also. So yes, it can give you a sharp reversal. If it trades above 1830, we can expect a further sharp move till towards 1840, 1850 and 1860 levels. These are markets, anything is possible. Today is specifically an important day, and the markets, specifically gold, may also have an impact accordingly, because it is all the game of money flow. And if you look at the oscillator there, it is now entered into a sell side here. This is the second red candle, and let's be watchful of that. The directional movement is bearish. The MACD has just crossed over after a long green stunt, and you can see this is the second red candle, and this is divergent, also indicating more bearishness. The RSI is near to bottom, and the stochastic is oversold too. So considering this for the day, as I said, yes, you can remain long right now till US session or till the inflation data is released, or we can say one can remain long on gold from with the support at 1808, expect it to hit 1818, 1820 levels, and beyond that we can expect 1825, which may provide a resistance, and 1830 the next resistance zone. The actual rally will start if it trades above 1830. We can say it is going to rally till towards 1840, 50, 60 levels, and yes, it can reverse any point of time. So till the time it is below 1830, it can reverse any point of time, so be cautious there. And you have to always, if you are long, you have to always trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, you can go short once it is below 1808, go short there. As I said, if it drops below 1808, I'll be looking forward to 1800, and then below 1800 we can look forward to 1780 levels. So it is going to give you sharper drop below 1808. Be ready for that also. We can expect that we may see 1780 and below levels if it continues to trade below 1800 levels. So take this trade accordingly, and trade accordingly with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver, similarly, yesterday we have seen 2140 levels, giving it a resistance there, and it is also trying to trade within this zone. And roughly, if you see, 2120 levels is something which I will be watchful of again. If it breaks beyond 2120, then only I will recommend you to go long for 2130 and plus levels. At the same time, on the downside, the support there is at around this zone. 2105 is going to be strong. If it breaks below 2105, go short. But remember, we have seen it getting stronger support at 2100 and 2090 levels. These two levels are now providing it a, I told you yesterday also, 2090, 2080 till here it has got a stronger support. If it breaks below 2080, one can remain short further for a sharper drop. Right now it is looking forward to 2120 levels, possibly with the support at 2105 levels. The oscillator is trading in red but trying to cross over into the bullish zone. The directional movement is bullish here. The MACD is divergent, indicating bullishness there. The RSI is looking upwards. The stochastic is overbought on the hourly charts. Now, if you look, so the one thing is stochastic which is overbought on the hourly charts, possibly. Also, another observation on the 2 hour chart, the 20 period moving average giving it a resistance there, and hence, yes, you can go long only above 2120 levels. If you see it trading above 2120, we can expect 2130 and plus levels. On the downside, if it trades below 2105, one can expect a little drop there. And look at the oscillator, it is trading in red but the candle is green. It is trying to converge. The directional movement is also trying to converge, right now bearish. The MACD is white, divergent and bullish here. And if you look at the RSI, it is looking upwards, and the stochastic is looking upwards here too, indicating little bit of bullishness. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, this is the third green candle, that support there at 2105 and now 2100. So rather I will recommend in between 2100 and 2120, do not take any position. Below 2100 you can go short for 2090, 2080, and this time it is going to drop sharply till towards 2060 levels. On the upside, the resistance there at 2120 is strong, and then 2130 levels is very strong. So be watchful of 2130, 35 zone, that it may give you a sharper resistance on the upside. Oscillator here is trading in red and it is trying to converge a bit. The directional movement is also trying to converge. The MACD is also trying to converge and cross over for a bullish crossover. and RSI is looking upwards, the stochastic is looking upwards too. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts it has taken a base here, 3 candles getting the support there at the same levels, now trying to rise. Probably we may see 3 candles here, and this time probably the third candle may be a little more green, little more sharp, where one can expect it to rise till towards this zone at 2140 levels. So be watchful of 2135, 2140 levels, and below that we can expect a sharper drop. So only long entry above 2120 levels, oscillator there trading in red, the directional movement trying to converge, the MACD trying to converge, the RSI is looking upwards, the stochastic is looking upwards too. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, see the previous candle is still traded with, you can say, a good swing and pretty indecisive there. See the larger upper shadow there, and the smaller lower shadow there, indicating the bears are not very much in control yesterday and are still waiting for it to take the direction. Also, if you look at, the candle has opened flat and it is trying to reverse from there. How high it can go? It can probably create a lower highs, and that is why I say 2135, 2140 zone, be watchful of that. Any breakout beyond 2140 will be a good indication to remain long, else it can achieve this zone at 2135, 2140 zone. In between this zone it can achieve the targets and reverse again from there, and this time it is going to give you sharper drop, which might take it towards on the downside. So till the time it trades below 2140, we can still expect it to reverse. So but not giving the opportunity to trade the rise there. You can go long at 2120, but trade with a strict stop loss and trade with a trailing stop loss. So yes, if it reverses from 2135 level, still your trade will close in profit, and then you can take a short entry either at those levels or below 2100 levels. The safer entry for a short trade is below 2100 only. Below that one can expect 2090, 2080, these two levels. If silver trades below, we can expect a sharper drop, and it can try to go back till towards 2060, 2050, and in fact further lows there. So take your trades accordingly, trade profitably, trade smartly, and trade with trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my Telegram channel. Join my mentorship batch. The next batch is going to announce soon, and you can be part of my signals group too. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.